Hi everyone, welcome to our Solarfirst YouTube channel. My name is Nicole and today I'll be training you guys on our UFO 120 watt floodlights, SFUF01. It comes with 12,000 lumen light intensity, which cover approximately up to 30 to 40 meters. It also comes with the 18 watt solar panel, which is adequate enough to charge your unit fully in 6 hours, which could last you up to 8+ hours. And also has an 18,000 milliamp hour lithium ion battery, which is great because it is durable, long lasting and can last you up to 5 years. The material used is ABS compositive plastic. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel. And also if you want to be part of the Solar Fam, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram at Solarfirst. And our website is www.mirandamambo.com.